Ever walked into a living room that feels instantly cozy, warm, and inviting? The kind of space where you just want to curl up with a blanket and never leave? Well, it's not just the furniture or the lighting that makes the magic happen. Choosing the right paint color is actually one of the simplest ways to transform a room into a cozy retreat. In this video, we're diving into the best colors to make your living room feel warm and inviting. Backed by expert tips and real-life examples, we'll cover everything from warm neutrals and deep earthy tones to soft blues and greens, and even some bold jewel tones for those of you who love a little drama. Plus, we'll share specific shades from top brands like Sherwin-Williams, Benjamin Moore, and Behr, so you can find your perfect match. But before we dive in, let me know in the comments, what's your go-to color for a cozy living room? So grab a warm drink, get comfy, and let's get started! So, why does color make such a big difference in how cozy a room feels? It all comes down to how our brains react to different shades and tones. Warm colors like soft reds, oranges, and beiges seem to advance towards us, making rooms feel more intimate and welcoming. On the other hand, cooler colors like blues and greens can still feel cozy if they have the right undertones. According to color expert Amy Crane, warm tones create a sense of being wrapped up or swaddled, which is why they're so perfect for creating that snug, inviting feeling. But here's something that might surprise you. Even some cooler tones can make a room feel cozy if they're soft and muted. A light sage green or a soft gray blue, for instance, can create a peaceful vibe that feels just as cozy as warm beige. There's a perfect cozy color for every style, whether you like warm tones or cool shades. Let's start by talking about one of the most popular choices, warm neutrals. Warm neutrals are like the cozy sweaters of the color world. They're soft, versatile, and never go out of style. Think creamy whites, soft beiges, grays, and warm grays. Colors that wrap a room in a gentle, welcoming glow without being overpowering. Interior designer Amy Youngblood says warm neutrals are perfect for creating a calm, comfortable space because they reflect light softly and don't clash with other decor. One of the most loved warm whites out there is Sherwin-Williams Alabaster. It's a soft, creamy white that feels bright and airy without the harshness of pure white. Another favorite is Benjamin Moore's Revere Pewter, a grade that's just warm enough to feel cozy without being too beige. Warm neutrals are also incredibly versatile. They fit right in with modern, farmhouse, or even boho styles. Picture a living room with alabaster walls, warm wood accents, and plenty of plush throws and pillows. That's the kind of space that makes you want to kick back and stay a while. Warm neutrals aren't just limited to white and beige. Soft taupes and even light warm grays can create that same snug feeling. For example, Benjamin Moore's Wind's Breath is a warm gragey that adds a touch of depth without overwhelming a space. Speaking of warm and cozy, let's move on to a category that brings a bit more richness and depth to a room: earthy tones. If you love rich, warm colors, earthy tones might be your perfect match. Think shades inspired by nature: warm browns, terracotta warm mustard yellow, deep greens, and even dusty pinks. These colors have a grounded, natural vibe that instantly makes a space feel more intimate. Interior designer Nancy Swanton suggests using soft browns and clay tones to add warmth and depth without making a room feel dark or heavy. Sherwin-Williams's Cavern Clay, a warm terracotta, is a great example. It's bold without being overwhelming and pairs beautifully with woven textures and natural wood accents. Another stunning choice is Behr's Spiced Pumpkin, a rich burnt orange that adds a cozy glow to any space. For those who love deeper tones, Benjamin Moore's Hail Navy offers a dark, enveloping feel that's surprisingly cozy, especially with warm lighting. To balance these deeper colors, try using lighter, warm-toned accents like creamy textiles, wooden frames, or brass fixtures. And if you're worried about a dark color making your room feel too small, consider painting just one accent wall or using earthy tones in smaller doses, like on built-in shelves or lower cabinets. Up next, let's talk about how soft blues and greens can bring a whole different kind of cozy to your living room. Blue might not be the first color you think of for coziness, but with the right shade, it can turn your living room into a peaceful retreat. The secret is choosing blues that have gray or green undertones, like a soft denim or muted teal. Sherwin-Williams Sea Salt, a gentle green-gray, is a favorite for creating a relaxed, spa-like vibe. Pair it with creamy whites, wicker baskets, and plenty of plants for a look that's both fresh and cozy. Soft greens, like sage or moss, also have a calming effect. Benjamin Moore's pale oak, a warm greige with a hint of green, is perfect if you want something neutral, but not boring. And for a bit more drama, try Farrow & Ball's green smoke, a deep green-blue that feels cozy and sophisticated. These colors work especially well in farmhouse, coastal, or traditional spaces. Adding warm wood accents and soft lighting will help keep these cool tones from feeling chilly. Choosing the right color for your living room can make all the difference. Warm neutrals, earthy terracotta, or soft green-gray shades can instantly create a cozy and inviting feel. Don't hesitate to test a few samples to see how they look at different times of the day. And remember, lighting and decor can transform how a color feels in your space. If you've ever wondered why gray is such a popular color for bedrooms, you'll definitely want to check out our video about gray color in the bedroom. You might be surprised by what you'll discover. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!